This right here is a McCormick Farmall Model C. Come, let me show you around. Welcome to the video. Thank you for joining me in this International Farmall C walk-around video. My name is Norman. I'm the general manager for Yesterday's Tractor Co. This Farmall C was made from 1948 to 1951. It weighed just under 3,000 pounds, features a manual narrow front tricycle steering. It has a 113 cubic inch 4-cylinder liquid-cooled overhead valve engine, 5-speed sliding gear transmission, and it produced about 19 horsepower at the drawbar. Okay, let's get a good look at the engine compartment now of this Farmall C. What you see right here is the distributor, the ignition coil, the oil filter, and the hydraulic pump. On the other side, we have the generator, the radiator fan, the carburetor, and the air intake and air filter. Now, this tractor's intake has an interesting feature. This jar right here is a pre-cleaner. What that does is it collects dust and other larger debris here in this jar before it makes it to the oil bath cleaner down below. What a lot of collectors do nowadays is they put a little toy tractor of the farm tractor that it's on inside this jar. Kind of a neat touch. Look for it next time you go to a tractor show. Here's the rear of the tractor. As you can see, no 3-point hitch, just a drawbar. There's also two types of PTO. There's the PTO shaft as well as a belt drive PTO to run belt-powered implements. Back here, too, we got this cool storage compartment under the seat, and this lever next to that, that's how you engage the PTO. Now for the tires, this tractor sports in the back some rear ag tires, which are 9-36, and on the front, we've got the narrow front tricycle setup, which are 4-15 tires. This seat here with this nice big spring to act as suspension gives you a nice comfortable ride on this Farmall C. Now let's get a closer look at our operator station. These are the instrument gauges. We have here an ammeter, water temperature gauge, and an oil pressure gauge. Now the pedals, the left pedal is the clutch, and the two pedals on the right are your left and right brakes. This shift lever right here is for the transmission. This tractor has 4 forward speeds and 1 reverse speed. This little tool here next to the shift lever is actually the tool to use to hand start this tractor. So if for some reason you can't use the electric starter, you can actually take this off the operator station, hook it to the front of the engine, and start your engine by hand. Getting on and off this tractor is not too bad. There's plenty of room between the fender and the operator station, as you can see me climbing on right here. And here is the operator's viewpoint once on the tractor. These two levers just in front of the steering wheel, these belong to the Farmall touch control. They control the 2 hydraulic cylinders used to lift implements on this tractor. One lever picks up your front or mid-mount implements. The other controls implements hooked on to the rear of your tractor. This right here is the electric starter, and the way you engage that is by pulling on this knob here. This lever right here is your throttle control. This throttle control lever leads down all these linkages here to your governor unit that's right there, and then that goes around through another series of linkages and makes it all the way to the carburetor. Well, there you have it, folks. Information on this International Farmall C in under 5 minutes. If you're an antique tractor fan like I am, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also follow us on Facebook and visit our website, yesterdaystractors.com. We sell parts. We have a huge online forum community, and we have tons of information. Let's keep the legacy of Yesterday's Tractors running today and into tomorrow. My name is Norman. Thanks for watching.